It's another day in Bangladesh 2.0 where minorities get targeted but terrorists and smugglers get a free pass. Let me take you back to 2004. Bangladeshi authorities seized a massive weapons cache. Almost 10 trucks full of arms, 10 trucks, around 27,000 grenades, 150 rocket launchers, 11 lakh ammunition rounds and more than 1,000 submachine guns. All of this was caught in Chattogram. It remains the biggest arms haul in Bangladesh's history. Do you know where it was heading? To India's northeast, to an armed group called ULFA, the United Liberation Front of Assam. It's been declared a terror group by the Indian government. Its goal is to create an independent Assam to break it away from India. In 2004, ULFA was led by a man called Paresh Baruah. It is believed that he got help from Bangladesh's government. There was a coalition government in Dhaka then, led by the BNP, the Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Now, this case dragged on for many years. In 2016, Baruah and 13 others got the death penalty. This list of those who got the death penalty included Junior Home Minister of the BNP. He too was given the death penalty. But today, those sentences were reduced. Baruah's death penalty has been turned into life imprisonment, and the junior minister has been acquitted. No jail, no punishment, nothing. Now, this tells you a couple of things. One, how Bangladesh's judiciary has been hijacked. And two, how anti-India elements are being encouraged. Now, to be fair, the judiciary was biased under Sheikh Hasina too. But Muhammad Yunus promised to fix that. Instead, he has flipped it. BNP leaders are getting acquitted in corruption cases, terror suspects are walking out on bail, and anti-India militants are getting reduced sentences. This is also a case of bias. Yunus is carrying out a mini purge on the judiciary. In October, 12 High Court judges were barred from their bench. Do you know why? Because the students protested against them. It tells you how the regime is gaming the system. Now we come to the second point, the anti-India push. In 2004, ULFA leader Paresh Baruah was living in Bangladesh. He was protected by the BNP regime. In fact, most of these separatists were based there. Separatists active in Tripura, in Nagaland, in Mizoram, in Manipur. The Indian security agencies were flushing them out, so they shifted base to Dhaka. And this has happened twice in Bangladesh's recent history. The first time it happened was from 1991 to 1996, and then again from 2001 to 2006. Do you know what is common in these years? Both times, Bangladesh was ruled by the BNP. And this setup played into the hands of Pakistan. Their deep state could easily funnel weapons to India's northeast. When Sheikh Hasina took charge in 2009, she dismantled this nexus. Even ULFA's Paresh Baruah had to flee. Right now, he's believed to be in China. Now, you can see why this is a big concern for India. India's northeast shares a long border with Bangladesh. It's almost 1,800 kilometers long. So what if Dhaka starts protecting separatists again? What if they funnel weapons and funds into India? It could reignite the frozen conflicts. Assam's chief minister flagged this concern in August. He said Bangladesh should not return to the old ways. But Yunus's ministers do not inspire confidence. Let me introduce Mahfouz Alam. He is an advisor in Muhammad Yunus's regime. On Monday, he posted an alarming message. He accused India, and I'm quoting, he accused India of colonizing the northeast. He also called for a repeat of 1975 and 2024. 1975 is when Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was assassinated. 2024 is when Sheikh Hasina was toppled. He wants a repeat of that in India's northeast. Such statements are a concern for New Delhi. They reveal the thought process of the new regime in Dhaka. We've already lost an ally in Dhaka. Let's hope we don't add an enemy.